हाय फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार एंड वेलकम ऑल ऑफ यू टू माय चैनल। आज का डिस्कशन में हम लोग इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड्स, लैंडिंग प्रैक्टिसेस एंड बेल आउट्स द टेरर फंडिंग रिस्क रिवार्डिंग कंटिन्यूड स्पॉन्सरशिप ऑफ द क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिज्म, उसी के बारे में बातें करने वाले हैं आप लोग से। और बेसिकली आज का डिस्कशन में हम लोग लिटिल बिट हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड, इट्स ऑब्जेक्टिव, ब्रॉड ऑब्जेक्टिव, and really IMF is accounting for financing the member countries fund requirements, or they really haphazardly finances their fund requirements in the name of sustainability, yeah, resilience, or how the government of India, let's just Ministry of Finance का statement provided that the funding decision of the finance is nothing that is like your bailout टेरर फंडिंग रिस्क का उन्होंने कोट किया है। एंड आई थिंक व्हाई नॉट टू डिस्कस द दिस ऑल content, friends. Now let's discuss about the little bit about the International Monetary Fund origins. When you research on this one, it can be tracked back the like Bretton Woods conference in 1944, where it was conceived and came into formal existence in December 27, 1945. That means in this conference the idea of formation of International Monetary Fund was developed. And after the Second World War, that is all about the, it's a little bit background, but it's this IMF began its financial operations on March 1st, 1947. And remember friends कि जैसे कि there are two institutions in the Bretton Woods system. One is called International Monetary Fund, और next is that is the International Bank for Reconstruction and Development, जिसको हम लोग वर्ल्ड बैंक भी बोलते हैं, and which was established in 1944. लेकिन ये जो the Bretton Woods system collapsed in 1971 just because of some reason. जैसे one of the reason could be, you can say that, increase the dollar imbalance या loss of confidence in the dollar's convertibility to gold, and which resulted adoption of the floating exchange rates, and which in turn led to the increased trade and investment between the countries. This is a little bit about the IMF and the World Bank, you can say that. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट फ्रेंड्स की जैसे कि इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड, जिसको हिंदी में आपका इंटरनेशनल मौद्रिक कोष कहा जाता है, इसका ब्रॉड ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि जैसे कि प्रमोट द ग्लोबल मॉनेटरी कॉर्पोरेशन, एक सेकेंड है कि दैट इज फैसिलिटेट द इंटरनेशनल ट्रेड, थर्ड इंश्योर द फाइनेंशियल स्टेबिलिटी। और being the global organization, this I'm talking about International Monetary Fund, it has altogether 191 members, and it just works for achieving sustainable growth and the prosperity of all these member countries. That is as per the objective of IMF. Lekin it's really surprising, it is not supposed to be accountable while financing and the working on its own set of objective and agenda, just boosting in developing and इमर्जिंग इकोनॉमी। ऐसा है कि इंटरनेशनल मॉनेटरी फंड, आपको समझना है कि दे एक्चुअली ट्राई टू बूस्ट देयर ओन एजेंडा and the objective just to brand their organization in the developing and the emerging economies in the name of development and the sustainability, like that. Now let's talk about friends की आज का मेन डिस्कशन का यही है कि दैट्स IMF लैंडिंग प्रैक्टिसेस एंड द बेल आउट्स टेरर फंडिंग। जैसे बेल आउट का मतलब ही ये होता है कि जैसे यू कैन सर्च दिस वन, दिस इज ऑल द एक्ट ऑफ गिविंग द फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंट to let's say the company or country, yeah, economy, you can say that, which is going to be collapsed. That means probably how the international monetary fund could recover their investment, that is a big concern, because as an investor, जैसे कि आप कोई भी फील्ड में यदि एज ए इन्वेस्टर you are have an intention to invest, then you are looking for how you could recover your investment, that is your पे बैक पीरियड, जैसे हम लोग कैपिटल बजटिंग में बोलते हैं। अब लेकिन आईएमएफ का आप देख लो कि जैसे डिस्पाइट पाकिस्तान पोर ट्रैक इकोनॉमिकली, politically, having the different terrorist camps, and with IMF and expressing the fears of fund diversion in supporting the cross-border terrorism, the IMF Executive Board meeting has taken the two major financing decisions for Pakistan, जैसे disbursing the loan of $2.4 billion under the just resilience and the sustainability facilities framework. And as for like a finance ministry of India, rewarding continued sponsorship cross-border terrorism sends a dangerous message that I also believe that. Just so the India raised the strong objections to the IMF and continued financial support to Pak, warning the repeated bailout risks, enabling the state sponsor cross-border terrorism and undermining the global integrity. As a when you look at the its broad objective, but actually International Monetary Fund is just financing its member countries' demand just to boost their own agenda, as I explained earlier. That is why the Indian government objected the financing of the 2.4 billion under the resilience and the sustainability framework, friends. Okay friends, आज का डिस्कशन में मैंने जस्ट डिस्कस किया कि हाउ दी like you're under the framework of the this one, that is the Britain Woods system, the two IMF and the World Bank, and in 1971 this system was collapsed, and despite that International Monetary Fund, they are working under their own agenda, but its the question is that are they accountable about their financing decisions? If so, how they decided about the, let's see, the financing the Pakistan, despite knowing that they would diversify, probably they would diversify the raise funds to finance the terrors. Okay friends, these are the things that I would like to share today. यदि आपको अच्छा लगा होगा आज का कंटेंट, प्लीज़ लाइक and also subscribe my channel, that is the finance guru Pawan Kumar Jha. Thank you all of you for watching this video. Please take care all of you. Thank you.